Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to prepare your miso batter. Very simple. Here we have sake, traditional from rice alcohol from Japan, 400 milliliters. Meanwhile, our sake is heating. We're going to cut butter, 500 grams of butter in cubes. So those are the motions, very simple. Okay guys, now I'm gonna evaporate all the alcohol inside. Let it evaporate. Miso paste, it's 1 kilo. So for 1 kilo of this you need 500 grams of butter, 240 grams of sugar, and 400 milliliters of sake, traditional Japanese alcohol from the rice. Here our alcohol has evaporated. We're gonna put half quantity of sugar, like this, to dissolve it. Afterwards, I'm going to launch my package of miso. Okay, I'm going to whisk it to dissolve it. So, second portion. Whisk again. Now I'm going to add the butter. Add to dissolve and whisk it for 20 minutes, constantly whisking, cooking it, reduce it.